Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is just another installment. On the last video, we did a contour, and it made our object rounded. So we're even going to take the rectangle, and with your ratio and lock, we can put in that 0.1 on that corner, and then go to this corner, put in that 0.1, and then we're done. We don't have to do the rounding we did on the other video. But now I'm going to take just the name, and I'm actually going to, let's change our nudge factor to like less than 3 inches. So let's make it 4 inches. And let's just take this up and then contour just the letters. Yeah, that'll work. And then go to effects and contour, and we'll contour that 1/2 inch. And then we'll go up to most of the time you've got to select it all, go to object, break the contour apart, and then select the inside one and move it out of the way. And then select the outside one and move it down. And now you can weld it. So now it didn't change our corners at the bottom. So now we can do the same thing, take that rectangle away, fill this in with black, and then right click, no hairline, and then nudge it over. And you have, everything's perfect. You don't have to change these corners to make them back square. You've still got a good contour. It didn't mess with the letters on the inside. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Whoop, and thank you for watching. I keep getting the wrong color, the wrong area. I need to just get that area right there. That's what it's going to look like on wood. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.